Hi guys! Good morning! Anong petsa na ba ngayon? I don't know, pero I think today is a Wednesday. Medyo busy ang buong linggo and hindi ako nag-vlog ng few days. Ang daming mga ganap kasi, so medyo busy din. Pero today, I'm working from home. I have time to do few things. So, mamaya, alis kami ng asawa ko. Magtitingin kami ng washing machine. Kasi yung washing machine namin, hindi pa rin siya naayos. Pero hindi namin siya balak ayusin or ipaayos kasi mas matanda pa ata sa akin yung washing machine. So, we just decided na bumili ng bago. Tapos, babalik ulit ako. I'm monitoring my emails naman. So, if in case they need me right away, I can respond to it. Kasi may phone naman ako. Naka-set up siya sa phone ko. So, that is going to be it for now. I'll keep you posted sa mga ganap namin later today. Ciao! Gugora na kami. Labas na ako ng bahay. Ilalak lang itong ito. Mask? Ay, pakinggan ko talaga itong ko. Ito na lang sa kanya. Labas, walang mask. Stay. Here. I know. Yeah, shit. You have a key, right? Gora na tayo. Umulan. Basa. Naka-chinelas ako. At naka-shorts. Siya magdadrive. Pasok tayo. Dandaran!
What's that?
Titingin kami ng washing machine.
They all have like glass top.
I don't like the one with glass top.
They all the ones without the agitator almost have all glass top.
Okay. So our best one is over there?
Well, just hold on. There's still more over here. Oh, hold on. Whirlpool, this is the one I was looking at too. It's only $6.74.
Oh, this one don't have an agitator, babe.
Yeah, I know. What's the warranty thing on this one? Is it 10-year? How long warranty? 4.3 cubic inches.
Local delivery October 15? Can we just take it?
No. Doesn't tell
Ito
you
ang
anything
gusto
about
niya.
warranty information.
You need to ask if they have
Unable
it.
to guarantee delivery dates at this time. Look at that.
You gotta look. Yeah. I got it, babe. That's the model number.
So you got this one here.
What else?
White.
Oh yeah, that's our
You
seat.
got it back in.
Yeah.
Maybe we should get another cabinet and countertop for the other side of the room,
Yeah,
for
we
the other
can.
side of the kitchen.
You know what I'm going to...
If they got the same block.
Yeah.
Ah, fine. Here we go again.
Babe, we're not looking at that. We're looking at washing machines.
Well,
Let's decide washing machine first, and then we can decide on that. Not really.
yeah, well, actually, just
Oh yeah, this one.
the whirlpools. What type do they come with warranties on them? Manufacturer
Everybody
warranty?
1 year.
Yeah, what?
1 year.
1 year?
Everybody's
Okay.
1 year.
Okay.
Would you be able to tell us if the delivery is still October 15 for this one?
Or is it?
Because it says October 15.
Fairly accurate, but
Okay.
not 100%.
Okay, thank you.
So 1 year. Why is that one 10 years?
Let's see. Let's see why. Which one was it?
This LG. Inverter direct drive motor. 10-year warranty on the motor.
Oh, on the motor.
That's just a drive. But that would be the matching drive.
Mm-hmm.
To that set.
Kind of like this
And then
too.
you could just put.
The liquid.
But where do you put like fabric softener? I don't know. Oh, softener goes in
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Oh, there's a. You pull that out.
Oh, that's how we do it, babe.
What? Yeah.
They wash it like that.
So that's what it is down there.
That's the
That's
motor.
the motor.
The 10-year warranty. Turbo wash.
There, so
Yeah, so the LG 648.
the LG 648.
So, probably better product.
Is it? You think so? The LG one?
What happened to the knob?
Someone.
Yep.
Oh.
Somebody.
What do you think? I would do that.
Hold on. I kind of like this because I don't know that agitator, but I kind of like that
there's
one
that
too.
one.
Hold on. I'm going to do all the washing, babe, so I gotta decide. Thank you so much, sir.
See, did we get a shaker door? Or did we get
No,
a
we didn't. We got Redding. Yep. Babe,
Right here.
right there.
But look how expensive it is now. What did we get? Maple? 191?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Babe, no.
But.
This is like it, babe.
Oh yeah. 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 Well, this is Thomasville. This is a little bit more expensive.
Nandito na naman po tayo sa mga cabinets.
And we went with
After
plywood.
1
We
year.
did plywood, not engineered wood. But, you know, if we had something like this on that wall, you know what I mean?
I don't think we need to put something on the wall though. Painting and then a nice bar.
Yeah, I personally like that.
Let's just find a very nice bar and put a painting and it should be good, babe.
Well, we have the bar there already. In which it's really just a decorative piece, you know what I mean? But like our drawers are packed. You know what I mean? Like you could do like crazy like wine, you know, that could be the bar. You know what I'm saying? Where and then you put like other pots, you know, something more just like too big. You know what I'm saying? Two big drawers with rollouts again. Not these rollouts. Like I mean, you know what I mean, like these, but big. You know, full. And then just have like that, like you know, one of those things. You know, wine, have open in the middle, glasses hanging, stuff like that. You could still do a painting in the back almost. I don't know.
That's woodmark right here.
Yeah, this is.
Babe, the stress of
I don't know.
getting it organized, the
Then
delivery, installation. I don't know. Get that crap again.
No, neither do I.
Though it's a nice idea though.
And plus, if we ever put a slider there, it will.
It'll eventually be on the way.
It'll be in the way. Yeah. Okay. Do we want to talk to that guy? And buy that?
Okay. Or I can just buy it online.
Thought you might like it.
Well, that and ours, that you know, we actually just bought here a year and a half ago, and the one in the house just took a leak on us. So
Oh wow.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's fantastic.
Not bad.
It's almost like a man.
Very thin.
This is a bevel.
You know, almost something like this
Like
kind
this.
of setup. Yeah.
Like this. This is what we want. I think that... Yan na, ang nabili namin. Diyan kami galing kanina. Yan, diyan kami galing. Pauwi na kami. At ang aking asawa ang nagda-drive. Uwi na. Pauwi na tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo ang mga puno. Kung kabagan sila ng kulay. Kami yung nagka-karaoke. What, babe?
Wow. Yeah. You put double of what I would.
It's really good, babe.
You put more than double what I would have.
Oh no, let's show them what I made for you. I made him a sandwich.
Perfect sandwich. Just a little heavy on the meats, though. Thank you, babe.
Welcome, babe. Kakantahan kami. Kakanta ko, wait lang. Oh, this is good. Vitamin water. I'll go ahead and sing. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hindi pa nakikita. The light is so much. No, the karaoke. Kanta tayo. Tapos na kami mag-video, okay, mag-karaoke. Nakaupo kami sa ganitong chair kasi wala pa yung ano namin, yung furniture. Sa October pa siya i-deliver. October 27. So, ayan. Komportable naman siya. Ayan siya, oh. Pwede kang humiga. Yan. Tapos balik ulit. Tapos since fall na, may ano tayo, design dyan sa gilid. Gawin natin ang apple pie na aking ininit eh. Sa ating microwave. Natin kung magugustuhan ni Ian. Here, babe. Hope you like it.
Oh, this is yours, though.
Yeah, and this is the last one. I'm gonna make another one. I have another, it's enough for me to make another one. Dessert tayo bago panoorin ang presidential debate. Meron tayong halo-halo. Yan siya. Kondensada sa taas. At buko kasi wala tayong leche flan and ube. Pwede siya lagyan ng ice cream pero hindi ko bet lagyan ng ice cream. So ayan siya. Sleepy na as. Pecha na. Pagod ang itsura. Sleep na tayo. Tapos na ang debate. Punta natin ang ilaw. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.